Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to English lesson with me, Madam Sarah. So today's lesson, we are going to look at superminds. Unit 2, let's play, page 23, muka surat 23. So today we are going to learn about how to use the word his, her, he and also she. So ada 4 perkataan that we are going to learn today. His, her, he, she. So in this video, I'll be covering 2 success criteria. The first one is know when to use he, she, his and her. So you should be able to know, mesti tahu bila nak guna he, she, his and her. The second success criteria is to be able to read aloud the sentences. Mesti boleh read aloud, baca the sentences. Okay, so let's look at our first lesson, which is he, she, his, her. What's the difference? Apakah bezanya? Okay, let's look at the first one. Okay, dia. So, dalam bahasa Melayu, we use the word dia to refer to someone, untuk refer pada seseorang. Contohnya, dia tengah main bola. Dia sedang melukis. Kita guna perkataan dia. Okay, dia kacak. Dia cantik. So, perkataan dia digunakan untuk refer, is used to refer. Tak kisah sama ada it's a boy, it's a man ataupun it's a woman, it's a girl, lelaki, perempuan. Dua-dua kita guna perkataan dia. Dapat faham? Dia kacak, dia cantik. However, in English, we don't use the same word for boys and for girls. We use different words. If you look at here, we use he for boys and we use she for girls. Let's look at the example. He is handsome. He is handsome. So, he here refer kepada budak lelaki ni. He refer to this boy. And this one, she is pretty. She is pretty. So, she here refer to the girl. Okay, dapat faham? Tadi dalam BM kita guna, dua-dua kita guna dia. But in English, we use he and we use she. He is for boy, she is for girl. Let's look at the second one, yang kedua. So, in BM, kita cakap dia punya. Dia punya kawan, dia punya bola, dia punya pensel, dia punya buku. Okay, so itu dia punya bola. Itu dia punya bola. Tak kisah lelaki ke perempuan, itu dia punya bola. Itu dia punya buku. So, this book belong to yang perempuan ni, murid perempuan ni. Jadi, itu dia punya bola, itu dia punya buku. And again, in English, kita tak boleh guna yang sama. Dia ada khas untuk lelaki and ada yang khas untuk yang perempuan. So, for boys, we use the word his. His. His maksudnya dia punya, tapi untuk lelaki. Then we have the word her. Her. Her maksudnya dia punya, tapi untuk perempuan. So, we have his and we have her. Okay, let's look at the sentence. That is his ball. That is his ball. Bola dia. Dia lelaki. So, guna his. That is her book. That is her book. Ini buku dia. Tapi dia sini adalah perempuan. So, we write it as her. Kita guna her. Sebab her adalah untuk perempuan. So, we can look at here. He is handsome. That is his ball. So, for boys, we use he and his. And let's look at the girl. She is pretty. That is her book. So for girls, we use she and her. Okay, so nampak? If it's boy, we use he and we also use his. If it's girl, we use she and we use her. But then you have to remember yang perkataan his dengan perkataan her itu refer kepada belonging. Hak milik dia, dia punya. Okay, jelas? Alright, very good. So by doing that activity, you have covered your first success criteria, which is know how to use he, she, his, and her. Okay, then we are going to go into our second part of the lesson. So second part of the lesson, we are going to look at a few sentences and you need to read after me. Okay, ikut teacher baca. Okay, the first one, he, his. So this is example of sentences that use he and his. Okay, let's look at here. His name is Andrew. His name is Andrew. He is 7. He is 7. His favorite toy is his sword. His favorite toy is his sword. Ni dia punya pedang mainan tu, sword. Okay, so his name is Andrew. Nama dia Andrew. He is 7. His favorite toy is his sword. Okay, kat sini teacher nak highlight. Kenapa his name is Andrew? Kenapa kita tak cakap he name is Andrew? Sebab nama tu belonging. Nama tu dia punya. Andrew tu nama dia. That's why we use his. Sebab Andrew tu, nama tu milik dia. Jadi kita guna belonging. Belonging kat sini is ni, his. Dia punya nama. And then kat sini, kenapa his favorite toy is his sword? Kenapa tak cakap his favorite toy is his sword? Okay, sebab we look at toys here. Ini toy siapa? Toy Andrew kan? Jadi dia punya. Dia punya mainan kegemaran. Dia punya favorite toy adalah dia punya pedang. Dia punya. So, bila dia punya, kita kena guna his. We cannot use he. Remember, he is dia. Tapi kat sini, the sword here, sword pedang kat sini ni is Andrew's sword. Dia punya pedang. Jadi, kita guna his. Okay, dia punya pedang ni. Pedang ni pedang dia. Okay, jelas? Okay, let's look at the second example of using she and her. Okay, let's read together. Her name is Yaya. Her name is Yaya. She is 6. She is 6. 6 tahun umur dia. Her favorite toy is her kite. Her favorite toy is her kite. Ni kite Kite is layang-layang. Okay, so why do you use her? Again, because the name Yaya belongs to Yaya. Nama tu nama dia. Okay, she is 6, umur dia 6 tahun. Her favorite toys is her kite. Kite siapa ni? Kite Yaya ke kite teacher? Kite Yaya kan? So, dia punya. So, when it is dia punya, we use the word her. Faham? Okay, very good. Okay, let's read another. Okay, ask your parent for help. Untuk baca sama-sama. Alright, this one is using he and his. His name is Gopal. His name is Gopal. He is 10. His favorite toy is his train. His favorite toy is his train. Next one. Her name is Meme. Her name is Meme. She is 5. She is 5. Her favorite toy is her teddy. Her favorite toy is her teddy. Okay, so by reading that, you have covered your success criteria. Number 2, which is able to read aloud the sentences. Very good. Okay, so your task for this week ada 2 task. So the first one, you're gonna go to the word wall link that I will give to you and answer a few questions. Okay, pergi word wall punya link, nanti teacher bagi and then answer a few questions. Task number 2, send me the voice recording of your reading. Send me the voice recording of you, awak, reading the sentences. Okay, sentence mana nak pilih, it's up to you. You want to read about Andrew, Yaya, you have Meme and you have Gopal. So you have Andrew, Yaya, Meme and Gopal. Choose one only. Pilih salah satu. Read all 3 sentences. Record and send your recording to me. Hantar recording awak baca. Okay, get help from your parents. Minta tolong mak, ayah ajar baca. And then send your recording. Okay, good luck. I think that's all from me. I'll see you next week. Bye.